We'll guide you through how to transfer 𝗕𝗂𝘀𝗀𝗀𝗀 to Dropbox. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start from your laptop home screen. Locate the search bar on the screen, type Chrome, and click Open your web browser and go to the 𝗕𝗂𝘀𝗀𝗀𝗀 website to begin the transfer process. Log into your 𝗕𝗂𝘀𝗀𝗀𝗀 account using your credentials, then wait for the file dashboard to load completely so all folders and files are visible. Browse your folders carefully and locate the file you want to transfer to Dropbox. Click the checkbox beside the file and confirm the correct file is selected before continuing. Click Download on the top menu and choose Standard Download to start saving the file to your device. Wait until the download completes and avoid interrupting the process. Check your computer's Downloads folder and confirm the file downloaded successfully by viewing its name and size. Now open a new browser tab and go to the Dropbox website to prepare for uploading the file. Log into your Dropbox account and wait for your dashboard to open fully before taking any action. Click Upload, and then select Files to open your device storage browser. Browse your device storage and locate the downloaded file from 𝗕𝗂𝘀𝗀𝗀. Select the file and click Open to begin the upload process. Wait for the upload progress to finish and do not close the tab during upload to prevent errors or interruptions. Watch until the upload reaches 100% and ensure there are no warnings or failed messages. Refresh the Dropbox page after the upload completes to make sure the file appears in your file list. Confirm the file appears in the correct folder and open the file to verify it works properly. Once you have verified the file opens without issues, you can organize it into a dedicated folder, rename it for clarity, and add notes if needed. Keep both accounts logged out when finished for security. If the file is large, consider using a stable internet connection and avoiding background downloads. Repeat these steps for additional files as needed. This method ensures manual control, avoids third-party tools, and works on most devices with a modern browser.